Welcome to the video tutorial of SIPROTEC 5 protection device assembling. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the screw cover, then use a small cross-tip screwdriver to loosen the screw. Turn the device 180 degrees upside down. Remove the second screw cover. Be careful not to damage the seal. Now turn the device 90 degrees to the side. Remove the black gasket. Use a small cross-tip screwdriver to remove the two screws from the bus cover, then remove the bus cover plate. Take the additional module and lift it with the bus connection facing the table. Insert the guide pins into the slots of the main device and slowly lower the module. Then mount the cover plate and the two screws. Attach the lower screw cover. Now stand the device upright by 90 degrees. Screw the connecting bracket at the top with light pressure against the additional module. Insert the upper screw cover and turn the device 90 degrees forward. Use a large cross-tip screwdriver to remove the grounding screw from the middle module. Finally, screw the grounding cable from the additional module back in place. The device can now be set up and installed for further use.